Welcome to the AFT100 pre-installation guidelines. Connect the tractor lower 3-point arms using the Cat 2 or Cat 3 settings on the pins. Connect the top link and adjust its length so that the front of the machine is vertical and the side guards are level. Connect the PTO shaft and, if necessary, cut it to length. The trencher uses a PTO drive speed of 540 RPM. Please note, there must be sufficient room on the shaft once connected to allow the shaft free play through raising and lowering the 3-point linkage. Connect the hydraulic hoses in pairs to the spool connections at the back of the tractor. The hoses have red and yellow caps, red being feed and yellow being return. Connect the red to the plus and the yellow to the minus. Connect all hoses in this way and secure them away from the PTO shaft and lower link arms. Check the operation of all hydraulic functions. Secure the in-cab controller in the cabin of the tractor and connect the individual cables from the in-cab controller to the receiver on the mast of the trencher, to the solenoid valve block, and to the tractor power supply. Ensure the cables from the trencher to the tractor are kept away from moving parts. Switch the in-cab controller to on and engage oil flow to the solenoid valve block. Reduce the oil flow to the tractor to 30 to 35% to ensure a smooth operation. With the in-cab controller switched to manual, lift and lower the trencher boom. The chain is made up of individual links to enable easy and economical maintenance. Thanks to its design, blades can be changed without removing the chain from the boom. When there is visible wear on the chain, remove the blades, split the chain, flip it over and refit the blades. This allows a second life for the chain links. The carbide tip teeth are used for digging. The curved blades are used for soil evacuation and are hard-faced to reduce wear. Chain tension is measured midway along the lower run beneath the digging boom and is about 3 to 4 fingers or 60 to 70 millimeters between the boom and the chain. If adjustment is needed, slacken the bolts on the adjuster plates and using the spanner provided, move the adjuster bolt to extend the tail end idler sprocket away and tighten the chain. Ensure the bolts are then tightened on the adjuster plates. Care must be taken not to over-tighten the chain, as this will cause premature bearing wear. The chain also drives the soil augers, which push the soil to the sides of the trench. When starting off, lower the 3-point linkage until the auger flights are 75 to 100 millimeters off the ground. As the machine pivots forward off the augers will lower as the boom lowers. The auger assembly has bearings that should be lightly greased every 100 hours. If wide blades are used, then check to to ensure the blades clear the auger flights, and if necessary, loosen the flights and slide them outwards. The crumber is mounted onto its arm at the rear of the trencher. It is kept in place using a flexible link that moves if it hits large buried stones or rocks. The crumber lightly skims the bottom of the trench to clean the trench from loose soil or crumb. It is adjustable, so if too much soil is left at the bottom, lengthen the linkage, and if the crumber is digging, then shorten it. The pipe chute is mounted onto the crumber end and is hinged to allow it to move within the trench. The grading linkage provides a constant mounting for the laser receiver as the trencher raises and lowers. The hydraulic tilt pipe reel carrier will take a 100-meter reel of a 100-millimeter drainage pipe and lowers hydraulically to enable easy changing of the reel. Ensure the inner end of the pipe is tied or tucked into the reel center to avoid jamming the spool. Thank you for watching the AFT100 pre-installation guidelines. For further information, please contact us at info@trenchers.co.uk.